on the table.
Hey, Sam. Yeah, sticks too.
See a dot over there? There's
What's your name?
my name is my name is Audrey.
That's a pretty name.
We had so much fun today. What's that? Are you making spaces for the balls?
No, I'm just watching my Sam.
My Sam.
Do you want to see my yourself?
I'm watching Sam.
Vivi.
That's his name, Sam.
Vivi, we're a really great eggs and ham and one will my mother.
Green eggs and ham, Sam I am. Have you read that book?
A really great eggs and ham.
Yeah. You like that book?
And you my mother is daddy's no daddy's watch kids.
We had a very nice man at the counter. I had $1.10 in coins, and one child's coin was $1.50. He's like, "Oh, you were getting it for kids?" And I'm like, "Yeah." I have ice cream for you and Audrey. And then he's like, "Oh, you have kids with you?" And he's like, "That's okay. That's close enough."
Oh, that's
and then he's
nice.
like, "I'll just," and he's like, "A cup is $3." And he's like, and I'm like,
So they don't take check cards, I guess?
"No." And he's
Okay.
like, "I'll just put $1.50 worth in the cup." And I'm like, "Yeah, because it's a kid." I'm like, "Actually, there's 2 kids, so yeah, definitely in the cup so I can share." He goes, "Oh, I'll just fill it up then."
Oh, that's so nice.
Oh, no, thank you.